Hi, what's up my friend, this is David. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the excruciating pain of reviewing trades that cost me about $240 worth of loss. Let's dive in.
Legs pumping, blood flowing, 2 at a time, heart exploding, pepperoni,
Okay, so I've reduced my trades to about 3 to 4 reasons, and the first reason was really pathetic because the first reason was feeling FOMO again at a really low time frame, like 1 minute. It is 1 minute and there's no sign of a second bull candle after the breakout. So this is one AHPI. I got in here, the reason, and you can see clearly that it wasn't valid. The other one was Chewy. I got in because I saw a big fat green candle. That shouldn't be the first trigger to end. Another one was DNUT. This is the breakout level on the 1 hour chart, and I do not know why I got in. There's no breakout candle, there's no first green candle after the breakout level at all. These are the 3 charts cost me a dent in my trading account. If I can remove them, I should be able to keep some of the money that I've earned for the past 2 months. Let's move on to the next, which is another no-no, but I went in anyway because I was looking for trades. It's a pre-market high. As you can see from this chart, during pre-market, the price action was pretty active, and my system at the moment doesn't allow me to trade during pre-market, only after market open, because I'm trying to reduce the number of errors and get my confidence up. Clearly, I didn't pay attention to the rules that I set, and these are the rules. If pre-market breakout, this is one of the rules that I set, and I was not paying attention to it. DTSS, I was trading during pre-market, which is a big no. JD, I was also trading during pre-market, and clearly there wasn't any reason for me to get in because the pre-market high wasn't broken. So these 2 conditions I need to get rid of in my trading plan for no trading if the market volume during pre-market is high, and do not trade until I see a second bull candle after breakout. Okay, let's move on to the third one. The third one was pretty unique because even though I've seen it in my, even though MPB means mini pullback, even though it is on my rules, I didn't pay attention to it because I was making money and it sort of clouded my mind. This is the breakout level that I've set after I found the pre-market high. It should be a winning trade, but I was taken aback when I see a first candle and after that subsequently a bull, and I was dumbfounded. I did not know what to do, so I waited for the first and second candle to be formed and entered around here before I got stopped out. But I found a new solution for it, which is to place a buy limit after this red candle high, maybe 1 or 2 candles in the 1 minute chart. So this is one of the trades that got me stopped out because I was waiting too long for it. This is another one. This is the breakout level and a pin bar appears. I didn't know why I didn't enter on the pin bar, but a pin bar appears after the breakout, and this is the first candle, second candle, and got stopped out about here. Another one, this is the breakout level, a red pullback, and I got stopped out pretty early on this one. So the third rule that I'm supposed to set upon is if there's a pullback after the breakout, ideally would be to trade 1 or 2 green candles in the 1 minute chart if it closes above the pullback high. Let's look at a few more reasons why I lost money for the week. This is the setup that I always do, which is a breakout with no pullback and buy at the high of the second candle. The reason why I lost money here is because I was feeling FOMO and I jumped in after I saw this, but I found a solution for it, which I will test it this week and see whether it works. Stops me from feeling FOMO and allows me to identify if the price action is strong, is bullish. The last reason why I lost money for this week, this is a TLRY, it's a wheats, and I bought it under 200 EMA, which I usually don't because it is a meme stock as well, and I shall remove this condition away from my trading plan. I do not trade any stocks that is below the 200 EMA on the hourly time frame. So now that you have seen some of the stocks that I've traded and lost money, I hope you learned something about it and hopefully it is useful in your trading plan. If you guys enjoyed this video on what I've shared and want to see more, please leave a like. And if you're new to this channel, remember to subscribe and ring that bell to get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks again, and until next time.